Hickmans Family Farms was founded in 1944 by Nell and Guy Hickman. Today, the family operation is run by sons Glenn, Billy, and Clint, and daughter Charmin. Located just outside of Phoenix, Arizona, Hickmans Farms produce approximately 20 million eggs weekly. There are 6 pullet houses where the chicks are raised from 1 day to 17 weeks old. They are then transferred to one of the nearby 22 hen barns. Hickman's 3 processing facilities combined are home to more than 3.5 million chickens. The eggs make their way from the barn onto a conveyor belt that gently moves them into the plant. Once inside, the eggs are carefully run through the recently installed state-of-the-art MOBA processing machine. This European technology enables Hickmans to offer a system that surpasses current processors. While in the machine, the eggs are high-pressure washed, inspected, and weighed before being sent to packaging. This efficient computerized system processes up to 15,000 dozen eggs per hour, saving time, energy, workforce, and greatly reducing breakage and loss. This increase in productivity enhances the quality while increasing efficiency. The automated boxing further streamlines this process. Once in their packaging, the eggs are carefully placed into climate-controlled storage, where they will shortly be loaded into refrigerated trucks headed to stores from Arizona to Hawaii. The largest USDA-certified facility in Arizona, Hickmans Farms supplies major retailers with fresh, quick delivery. This allows the customer to receive high-quality eggs at cost-effective prices. Hickmans trucks can be seen leaving the processing plant 7 days a week.
Well, here at Hickmans, we don't waste anything, and we turn our waste into organic fertilizer.